Mastering negative contractions with apostrophes in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore an essential part of English grammar: negative contractions with apostrophes. Our focus will be on how to correctly use apostrophes in these contractions, allowing you to express negation with ease and clarity in your writing and speech. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of our topic, let's understand what negative contractions are. Negative contractions are a way to express the negation of a verb. We create them by combining a verb and the word not, and often use an apostrophe to indicate missing letters. For example, do not can be contracted to form don't, where the apostrophe replaces the o in not. Similarly, is not becomes isn't, cannot becomes can't, and so on. Now, let's look at some common negative contractions in English. Here are a few: don't, do not, isn't, is not, aren't, are not, can't, cannot, won't, will not, hasn't, has not, haven't, have not, didn't, did not. It's essential to remember that these contractions are informal, so you would typically use them in casual speech or writing. You might have noticed the contraction won't, which doesn't follow the typical pattern. This contraction comes from an old form of will not, known as willn't. Over time, this changed into the won't we use today. Another irregular contraction is can't, for cannot. While it may seem like it should be cannot, is actually a single word, so the contraction is can't. Understanding these contractions is one thing, but using them correctly in sentences is another. Let's see some examples. He doesn't want to go to the party. He does not want to go to the party. I can't finish this book. It's too long. I cannot finish this book. It's too long. They won't be coming to the dinner. They will not be coming to the dinner. Mastering negative contractions is a big step towards sounding more natural when speaking English, and it also improves your writing. Remember, the key to learning is practicing. So make sure you use these contractions when speaking and writing. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, keep learning, and see you in our next English grammar adventure.